In this video, you'll learn how to turn on the flashlight on your Google Pixel 9. This guide will provide you with clear steps to access and use this feature effectively. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel 9. Once the device is unlocked, swipe down from the top of the screen. This action will reveal the notification panel along with the quick settings menu. If you swipe down again, all the options will expand fully, allowing you to see more controls. Look for the flashlight icon among these options. It is crucial to ensure that your screen is responsive during this step, as this prepares you for accessing the flashlight feature. Next, tap the flashlight icon to activate it instantly. When you do this, the camera LED will illuminate, functioning as a flashlight. If the flashlight does not turn on, it may be because your phone is in battery saver mode, which restricts certain features. When the flashlight is active, the icon will change to visually indicate that it is turned on. At this point, you have successfully enabled the flashlight and can use it as needed. After you have finished using the flashlight, tap the flashlight icon again to turn it off. This action is important to conserve battery life. Alternatively, if your device allows, you could also turn off the flashlight from the lock screen without unlocking your phone. It is advisable to avoid keeping the flashlight on for extended periods, as this can drain the battery more quickly and affect overall device performance. Always remember to turn off the flashlight after use to manage your device's battery effectively. This simple action helps ensure that your Google Pixel 9 remains operational for longer periods without needing a recharge. By following these steps, you can efficiently control the flashlight feature whenever necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.